Today we're using Photoshop to test out the Generative Fill feature. Here's a before and after of the first photo that I did, and here's the before and after of the second one. So to explain what I did is I opened a canvas size of 1920 by 1080. I then dragged my image into the canvas so that way I could use the Generative Fill to expand on the top of the photo and the bottom of the photo. All you need to do is use the rectangular marquee tool to select the white space on the canvas. Then you're going to click on Generative Fill. This is going to ask you to put in the prompts of what you would like to see happen to your image. The good thing about new features in Photoshop is that they always give tips on how to use the features, so just pay attention to those prompts that pop up. So you'll see that I did it to the top section, and I'm also doing that as well to the bottom. I did have a little difficulty with the prompt, but I did get it figured out eventually. So you'll see that it generated the bottom half of the photo for me, where it added a little bit more to her outfit. And basically I generated it twice so that way I could have a few more options, because I wasn't sure which one looked best. So I went with the one that I thought looked best and matched the top half of her a little bit better. And taking it back to the first image, I just wanted to show you the process again of taking the rectangular marquee tool and selecting the white space that's on the canvas, and then clicking Generative Fill, typing in what you would like the image to do or what you would like to see done to the image, and then once it generates those three options, you choose which fits the best for you or what you think fits best. And again, I generated it twice so that way I had a few more options to choose from. And now I'm going to take these two images and create some designs with them. I will be recording that process and we'll post those up as speed through videos. Let me know if you have any questions.